They're back.
Where are we?
We're on Willow Lake. The dogs are happy.
We made it to Willow Lake, yay!
We had a special guest this weekend. Lisanne joined us. She's one of the most incredible people I have met through photography. Our story began 6 years ago when I captured a striking photo of her at the pageant. That moment led to a session with her and two of her beloved horses, and our connection grew from there. Lisanne is a dreamer, just like us. She once followed her heart and rode her horses across the country. Later, she returned, got married, and honored me by asking me to photograph her wedding. This weekend, we spent our time sharing stories of our adventures. As I snap photos of the landscape and enjoy Lisanne's company, Conor decided to go fishing, a hobby he hadn't enjoyed in a while.
This is a good spot to start.
Even though we never stopped adventuring outdoors, it was a joy to see him back at it.
Juno, Juno. What do you have? What do you have? You're so proud.
We were also celebrating Rhonda's first year with us, so we brought her and Kwache along. Lisanne brought her two pups, Juno and Caillou. At one point, we looked over to see Juno dragging a leg, and it brought a smile to our faces. It reminded me of the simple joys of being around dogs.
It's been a while since I've wet my line, so let's see if I can have some luck. Julieta's made Lisanne her little assistant and trying to take some photos of the dogs, it looks like. I'm going fishing. That way.
Conor was right. It was all about having fun with the dogs. We even had them model for us. They are not just pets, they are our loyal companions, teaching us so much along the way. Lisanne, too, has created cherished memories with her dogs, adding to the bond we share.
Final attempt here.
Although Conor didn't have any luck fishing that evening, the fresh air and time outdoors were enough. We are now waiting for the lakes to freeze, dreaming of what's next.
Well, the girls are having a good time. That's good, because there ain't no fish in this pond.
Meeting Lisanne reminded me how inspiring it is to connect with a fellow artist. She's not just an adventurer and horse rider. She is also a talented painter and a full-time dreamer. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave a comment and a like. See you next week!